Welcome to the channel. So, your power button on the Oppo A57 has stopped working? That's a pretty common problem. But don't rush to take your phone in for repair just yet. Give me a couple of minutes. I'll show you a simple trick to restart and power off your smartphone without touching that troublesome power button at all. It works reliably. One quick note, depending on your Android version, some menu names may look slightly different. Don't worry about it, that's completely normal. You'll find your way around easily because the overall process stays the same. Let's get started, and I'll show you everything, step by step.